Make a stainless steel birdcage. If you want a new home for your bird, the best option is a stainless birdcage. A stainless birdcage gives you the ease of cleaning. It is durable and stylish. Stainless bird cages come in different colors as well as different designs. The colors available will surely match your room. Cleaning a bird's house is indeed a tiresome task. It also involves hassles like worrying about rust and checking for paint damage. These worries will be erased with the use of a stainless steel birdcage. A stainless cage may be a good idea, however, the prices of these bird cages are often outrageous. If you do not have enough money to purchase one, you may build your own stainless steel birdcage. Here are the steps to build a stainless steel birdcage. Cut bands of steel to make the base of your cage. Make sure that you have a total of 6 uprights measuring 1 by 2 by 6 feet. Cut the rails. You need 13 pieces of rail measuring 6 feet for the top as well as the bottom, and 1 for the door frame's top. Make sure that the pieces for the door frame measure 22 inches in length, with a 60-degree angle for each end. Now you have a side panel. You will need 6 side panels. If you have your side panels, attach both the top and the bottom rail to each upright piece. You may utilize waterproof glue as well as dowels to see good results. Make sure that the top rail is attached with the upright piece while the bottom rail is attached to the rim. Now, choose one side of the panel. Attach extra rails measuring 3 feet. This newly built rail will serve as the door. Now that you have completed your side panels, you may now form a hexagon framework. In the completion of this task, use waterproof glue and a dowel. Now, get the measurement of the distance from opposing uprights. You may now cut 2 furs. The fur should be inserted between the uprights. Use the fur for the top and bottom sides. To add more support, add cross pieces in a 90-degree arc on the bottom. You may now attach 2 upright pieces with the side panel to create an opening for the door. Drill holes in the door rail and secure the holes using wood screws. Staple wire mesh on the framework. Use steel mesh. It is recommended that you buy steel mesh in rolls and just cut it. Make sure that there are no remaining sharp edges in the bird's cage. Do not forget to cut out the mesh for the opening of the door. Now, trim the mesh. Create a frame for your door. Staple the mesh. Trim the remaining mesh. Now that your door is okay, assemble the hinges. Where you hang the hinges is based on your preference, but it's a good idea to hang them at least 3 inches from the top and bottom of the door. Congratulations! You have now your bird cage.